Hi there, meteorologist Ryan Weekman back in the WTOL 11 Weather Center. So good to see you on what is ending up to be the coolest feeling day of July so far. Clouds overhead, a few light showers earlier this morning, just adding to that sensation where we've gotten a break finally from the big time heat, which has been hard to break so far this month. We've had some big heat spells, but not yesterday and certainly not today. Now, skies are going to change tomorrow. I expect the sun's going to be back. Our wind's going to be more out of the south, and that's going to propel the chance for a few stronger thunderstorms tomorrow afternoon across parts of the area. So we'll watch that in our hour-by-hour forecast. First, let's set up what's going on because there is still a little green just before noon on radar here south of Findlay and upper Sandusky. That's now moving out. As you pull that radar view back, what we're going to notice is all of these showers in Ohio here are drifting eastward. Some pretty good rain across parts of West Virginia, causing some flash flood warnings to be issued there. A bigger inspection across the country. What was potentially going to turn into a tropical system down here near Houston and Louisiana never quite established itself before coming on land. Our attention, though, it's going to be this next piece of energy crossing the north central plains. Doesn't look too impressive right now, but as it comes across Minnesota, Iowa, Wisconsin, and Illinois overnight, it's going to spark off some thunderstorms early in the morning. There's a pretty good chance those are going to reach us tomorrow, and that's why we've got our rain chances ramped up here. Your weekend outlook, 86 the high temperature here, scattered showers and thunderstorms looking likely, especially the afternoon and early evening for your Saturday. Sunday looking drier on the backside of that system here. We'll go 83, partly sunny. So if you're looking at your weekend and you have some flexibility with plans, you're saying, I got to get outdoors, Sunday is going to be the day where you're much more likely to be drier, perhaps early on for your Saturday. Severe weather outlook Saturday does keep us in that bullseye from the Storm Prediction Center for a few scattered possible stronger severe storms. Some gusty winds are going to be showing up as we're going into the afternoon hours for our Saturday. So if we're going to be out in the lake and bay, maybe doing some fishing was your plan. We're going to be talking the potential for those storms. Keep that marine radio on. Absolutely. Hour by hour forecast now. East wind blowing today. That's keeping things not as hot for us. Temperatures, if you're rowing your boat down the Maumee River here, expect to see some of that instability building back in tomorrow. We're going to watch, especially during the morning hours, that wind turn to the south turns muggier. You combine the heat and the mugginess, you get instability. It's what these thunderstorms feed on. And with that south wind, we do expect that that's going to allow that to rapidly move back in. So a couple scattered showers or thunderstorms certainly on the potential for tomorrow. And then we're going to walk away from that chance for rainfall here. That severe weather outlook once again highlighted across a big chunk of the area. Doesn't mean we're all going to see storms. Doesn't mean that by any stretch. But it's just the atmosphere certainly will have the moisture and the juice if you do see a thunderstorm. Some pretty good rainfall going to be a good bet as well when it comes to that outlook. Let's get to your extended forecast now, and we're going to talk in great detail here. After a high only in the 70s today, we jump up Saturday, Sunday back to the 80s for our forecast there. Quiet to end the weekend, and then quiet early next week as far as rainfall potential goes. Maybe some scattered showers or thunderstorms the middle of the week. Highs will start to ramp back up. We're talking about highs potentially in the 90s for a couple of days next week as our setup still looks locked in here. High pressure sliding into the southeastern U.S. This is the same sort of setup we've had earlier in the week with some very warm conditions. Maybe some kite flying weather as we go to our hour by hour forecast, but that wind is going to be a hot feeling wind next week with temperatures looking as warm as they do. As you're wandering around here in this forecast, got temperatures in the upper 70s again today. We do climb back up this weekend, and look, it's a steady climb all the way up to that heat Wednesday into Thursday. Again, a high temperature for us. What a difference from free air conditioning out there today. We're going for a lovely bike ride. It'll be nice and easy. You'll be sweating pretty badly there next week with temperatures that will be much warmer. Hope you have a great rest of your Friday and weekend ahead. Take care.